大家好 Welcome back to Naiwen Chinese. It's Mia. How are you doing in the middle of the summer? Today I'm gonna teach you how to order beverage in 奶茶店 in China. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So this is a 奶茶店. Let's just go in and order something.我点一个西瓜波波。
好，这边用大杯中杯？
大杯的。
温糖可以吗
？3分。
冰糖冰、少冰、沙冰。
去冰可以吗？
果茶不太好吃。
少冰。
一杯西瓜波波大杯，分糖少冰，一共16元。
好的，我有一个券，给你看一下。So this is the beverage that I ordered. 西瓜波波。Inside there is watermelon. 西瓜。波波 is a kind of jelly, like little transparent balls, which can bring more textures into the beverage. And also inside there is a green tea. So yeah, it's a fruit juice, 果茶. The word 奶茶店 literally means milk tea store. 奶 means milk, 茶 tea, 店 store. So 奶茶店 milk tea store. But actually, they usually offer a variety of different beverages, not only 奶茶, but also pure tea, juice tea, smoothies, ice cream, and so on. And this particular store's name is 茶百道. 茶 means tea, 百 means 100, 道 means way. So it's like 100 ways to make tea. So you see, fresh fruit, tea, Chinese tea, milk tea. There are a lot of choices. And the mascot is a panda, 熊猫. So some keywords and sentences about ordering 奶茶 or 果茶. First word, cup, 杯. 杯 is a measure word, so you want a cup of something, you say 一杯. 一杯. I want, 我 I want, 要 so 我要一杯 I want a cup of, then the name of that beverage. One more time. 我要一杯我要一杯 So the beverage I just ordered is called 西瓜波波. 西瓜 means watermelon. 西瓜波波 means that little round jelly balls, so jelly thing. So together, 西瓜波波. Right, I want a cup of watermelon jelly together. 我要一杯 西瓜波波。One more time. 我要一杯西瓜波波。The names of certain beverages can be complicated, but don't worry. You can simply look at the pictures and choose your favorite one and point at that picture and show the cashier. In that case, you need the word this one, right? I want this one while pointing at that drink. So this one in Chinese, simple. We say 这个 Right. So together, I want this one. 我要这个我要这个If you want to emphasize 1 cup, not 2 cups, you can say 我要一杯这个我要一杯这个 Then we can also customize our beverage. So there are several options. First, about temperature. So usually in summer, iced drinks, right? You can choose from normal amount of ice, less ice, and even less ice. At some stores, and finally, ice removed without ice. So one by one, normal ice, 正常冰，正常冰，冰 means ice, 冰，正常 means normal. Together, 正常冰。Less ice. Less, fewer, we say 少 So less ice, we say 少冰 And finally, ice removed without ice, we say 去冰 Yeah, maybe you know 去 as the verb go. Yeah, it's that the same 去, but another meaning. 去 here is also a verb. It means remove. So, ice removed. 去冰. Next up, about sweetness, you have following options. First word, sugar, we say 糖 So if you want maximum amount of sugar or sugar syrup, you could say 全糖 全 means full 全糖 This is the maximum. If you want your drink super sweet, then 70% of that maximum, we would say 7分糖 7means 7 7分 分 here means like 10%. So 7分糖 70%. Then another option is 3分糖 3分糖 30%. 3分糖 And finally, no sugar or sugar syrup at all. 无糖 无糖 无 means without. 无糖 Okay. And how could we forget about size? Right. So, large, medium, or small. That's simple. So first the word cup, 杯 then we will use words adjectives, big, medium, small. 大杯 large, a large cup of something. 大杯 medium, 中杯 medium cup of something. And finally, 小杯 small cup of something. 小杯. Now let's put all the words together and try to order. For example, this watermelon jelly thing, large cup, less ice, 30% of sugar. How to say? You can say 我要一杯西瓜波波，大杯少冰，3分糖。Done. A bit faster. One more time. 我要一杯西瓜波波，大杯少冰，3分糖。That's it. Alright, finally let's try our 西瓜波波, shall we? 我们尝一下。I'm chewing the 波波. Many these jelly balls. Pretty refreshing. Surprisingly strong jasmine green tea floral scent actually as the base. Great. So this is not just a simple watermelon juice. It's like fruit tea. So there are some layers in the taste. 好喝 tasty. Too many bobos. So if you don't like chewing a lot, maybe you can choose another option without this jelly thing. But yeah, watermelon and jasmine green tea, the combination is king. Okay, this will be the end of today's episode. Hope these words and phrases will be helpful for you when you come to China and try to order some beverage in this 奶茶店. Okay, this is Naiwei in Chinese. I'm Mia. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.